We haven't been properly introduced. My name's John. I want to play a game. I've never murdered anyone in my life. The decisions are up to them. If a subject survives my method, he or she is instantly rehabilitated. You see, the knowledge of death changes everything. If I were to tell you the exact date and time of your own death, it would shatter your world completely. But most people have the luxury of not knowing when that clock's gonna go off. And the irony of it is that keeps them from really living their life. Those who don't appreciate life do not deserve life.
Hello, Amanda. I want to play a game. Oh, Mark. Careful with that candle. Or all the people you burned with your act just might have their revenge. Hello, Bobby. For years you have burned those around you with your lies, cons, and deceits. Now you'll have a chance to redeem yourself for the games you've played with others. Remember, Orby, once you are in hell, only the devil can help you out. Hello, Paul. You are a perfectly healthy, sane, middle-class male. Yet last month, you ran a straight razor across your wrist. But if you want to live, you'll have to cut yourself again. How much blood will you shed to stay alive, Paul? Live or die. Make your choice.
The jigsaw piece I cut from my subjects was only ever meant to be a symbol that that subject was missing something. A vital piece of the human puzzle, the survival instinct. Hello, Sam.
Killing is distasteful. To me. Tell me what you want.
I want to know if you have what it takes to survive.
Are you there, detective? You think you will walk away undested? I promise that my work will continue. The games have just begun. Hello, Dr. Gordon.
I'm the man you call Jigsaw.